My name is Susan Katu. Today I'm going to tell you about my dreams. My dreams are going back to Africa. Africa is a place in Sudan. That's where I'm going. I'm going to go and change generations of people. Some people kill people. I don't like that. I do not want my country to be killed. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go there and change everything. I don't care about my lives. I care about people's life. That's what I'm going to do. I don't care about Americans, people. Some people just die. They don't even do nothing. Some people say that they don't even work hard. They don't even pay hard. That is not fair. I came here to be free, but they didn't. I'm gonna go and change slavery. Everything is gonna be ended if I grow up. Everything is gonna be ended. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm never gonna kill nobody. I don't want to be like Americans. I'm an African girl, not an American girl. That's what I'm gonna do. Some people just say, that's not my country. I don't like that country. I do not like that country. You better not say that, because that's your own country. That's where you were born. Some people just die for no reasons at all. Even Barack Obama says something. Be kind to people. Don't kill no one. We want to be peaceful in this earth that God created. He said, don't kill. Don't hate each other. Love. Be in peace world together. That's what I gave you. I want you guys to be peaceful. I don't want nobody in my family to be killed. I came here to America so I can have freedom. But I just can't. I'm worried about the people who are back in Africa. They just be killed all the time. Many of them are died. I don't know why. But I'm sure I will go and change generations. That is my dream. I don't care about no one at all. I care about the people who are in Africa. And if you want to help me, people out there, if you want to help me, just call us so you can just pay a little money so we can send it. And this is a true video. I don't even care about nothing. I care about my people. I don't want my people to die. I'm gonna go and end slavery. And I hope you guys go to your country who they hate each other. I don't know why. God asks us to be kind and loving. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you record it and you record your own video. Thank you so much. And if you want to help us, just talk to people and just tell them nobody kills. Just make a video of your own, and you can just donate like $5, $1, any money that you have. And just call us so we can give it, or you can return back to Africa. And I hope everyone does that to their own country. But thank you for coming.